You are higher than a kite right now. I'm gonna give you cough medicine every night. Every single night.
Okay. I could go for some food right now.
Yep. Here we are.
Are you having a good day?
Yes. What do you mean having a good day? He's got 2 new ringtones.
Just got 2 new ringtones.
Okay, I'm gonna set one as my alarm.
You should tell Marsha all about your day.
Marsha's not even here.
You should call her and tell her.
You stop that.
Stop what?
Can I hear Mr. Saxo beat, please?
It's downloading. I told you that.
It's been 45 minutes.
Oh, really? Because 2 minutes ago, it was 20 minutes ago. You're just impatient.
Sometimes time goes faster than other times.
Does it now?
And
Really?
right now...
I'm pretty sure that's impossible.
It's been... No.
No, right?
No. No.
I'm not sure she's being serious. Or,
I can't really tell either.
Could somebody call me?
What?
Is it? Are you calling me right now?
Oh my God, Zane. No.
Is it my ringtone?
No, it's Ian's phone.
Oh, Ian! Is that your ringtone?